Today I'll be looking at this espresso machine called the Breville Oracle Touch. Ever since I got this, I actually haven't gone back to Starbucks. I got this about a year ago and I wanted to talk to you guys what makes this espresso machine different, who is it made for, and the simple process of making a drink. What makes this different from most other espresso machines is the touchscreen. Everything you need to know is right in this touchscreen. You can select your settings, the type of drink, and add some customizations to your drink. It's actually all in here. No more physical buttons to push except the power button. There's a steam wand right here for your milk. You can program the temperature of your milk and the amount of foam. A grinder here for your coffee beans. I think it's important you have a grinder and you grind your own beans. It makes a huge difference in how it tastes. So you can unlock this if you like to change out the beans. Grinder selection is right here. You can adjust how fine you want to grind your beans. This is a 58mm portafilter, which is a commercial grade. Another thing that is nice if you want to move this thing around or get it around the back, it has a roller bearing here. You can easily unlock and lock this thing. By the way, there's a huge water tank in the back, holds about 84 ounces of water, and there's a charcoal filter holder that filters the water. Also, instead of turning it around, you can put water from the front. Just pop this lid open, pour the water, and you could see the water level here, which makes it super convenient. So what comes along with this espresso machine? You might have noticed there's a mini tool set here beneath the drip tray where you can place your tools. It comes with different things like different types of cleaning brushes, a needle pin to clean out any of the milk residues on your milk wand, a grinder brush for cleaning, and also at the end of the grinding brush it has a magnet that you can use to grab the tamper and take it right out to clean the coffee grinds from it. Also comes with a knock box for used coffee grinds, one charcoal filter and charcoal holder to put in the water tank. Also comes with a cleaning disc, with a cleaning tablet, a single basket, and finally the pitcher for your milk. So who would actually be interested in getting this? A person who likes convenience of a super automatic espresso machine where you can actually push a few buttons and get a quality espresso. If you're willing to put some effort in making your espresso, like putting the coffee beans in the grinder, removing the portafilter to transfer it over to the brewing station, steaming your milk, and pushing a few buttons, this would be the perfect machine for you. So let's go over the interface in a bit more detail. Let's start with the left eye icon on the left. This is where you get an overview of the Oracle. Let's go into the No Oracle Touch section. So this is where you identify some of the parts of the espresso machine like the grind dial or the bean hopper. If you want to go back, you can press the X button. So this has the step-by-step tutorial, coffee extraction guide, and tips and techniques. This has loads of information. Hit the close button to go back to the last screen. On the right, you'll see a gear icon. Let's hit that. This is the settings menu. It has things like the quick start guide, auto start, set your time and date, language and units, a clean cycle. So there's a lot of info that is already built in and it's super helpful and very user friendly. Let's go back. Now here you can select what type of drink you want. You could choose an espresso, americano, latte, flat white, cappuccino, hot milk, and add new. With the add new, you can customize your drink. Let's say you want to customize like a flat white. I'm going to change the brew setting from single to double, and on the milk, I'm going to change how much foam I want. If I want a lot of foam, you can increase this. Then go to the temperature and change that to maybe 155 degrees. Click the check button. Now click your favorite icon for your drink, and then you name your drink. Let's call it RG for Room and Goods. Then hit the check button, and you're done. And now if you want to customize it again, press down on the icon for about 2 seconds. It will reopen the custom menu and you can edit the drink again. Let's increase the temperature on the milk and increase the foam. Press the check button and you're done. It's really that easy. Now let's go ahead and make the coffee. Let's make a flat white, single shot. You can change it to single to double if you want. When you're ready, press the grind button and let it do its thing. When it's done, just move the portafilter over and lock it onto the group head and place the milk underneath the steam wand. What I like to do next is steam the milk first. It needs to reach about 150 degrees because of my settings, and when I see it reaches about 120, then I start extracting the beans. Now what's also nice, it gives you a countdown on the screen, so you know exactly how much time went into pulling the espresso, and also monitors the temperature of the milk. After the milk is done, you simply wipe the wand off. When you're done wiping the wand off, push the wand down and watch what happens. It will actually clean itself out. So that's the Oracle Touch. Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions about this Oracle Touch. Until next time guys, I'll talk to you all later.